my YouTube channel. It is your girl Tyler, and today, as you can see from the title, your girl is doing something a little bit out of her comfort zone. But yeah, you read it right. Your girl is dyeing her first ever wig pink, because period. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and make sure you turn on your notifications bell to see whenever time I post. So let's just get right into this video. So we had a bit of a dilemma. So like these I'm just so mad right now. Like these YouTubers, they don't show you the flaws in what actually happens. So I thought life was sweet, and I decided to wash my hair. And after I washed it, I was like, okay, let's dye this hair, let's do it, right? So when I put the water, so as my hair is wet, and I put the water, my hair inside the water with the color dye, it didn't even do anything. It literally like stained like I don't know if you guys can see it, but like it didn't do anything. It just stained like a hint of pink in it. And it's like, it didn't really do anything. And I don't even think you guys know, I had the most biggest breakdown of my life. Like, but life lesson, especially if you're doing wigs, and this is a good tip, and hopefully like other YouTubers can tell you guys or show you guys. Like, let me give you a truth. Make sure you have dry hair before doing this, okay? So if you want to wash your hair, wash it, do your thing. Blow dry it, and then do this, okay? So let's just get right back to it, okay? Pretty small disclaimer. Let's get back to it. Alright, let's for real, like let's really, like I'm so glad I didn't use the whole bottle on the other one. Let's get this show on the road. Like let's, like I'm so scared. Yeah, get the fuck that. Oh my, yo. Alright, so I was going through it this whole entire filming time. But basically what I did before was I let the hair sit for about 30 minutes and I came back and it went through. It was perfect, but I kind of wanted just a little bit more hints of pink, and I only used one bottle of the Adore Cotton Candy. So what I ended up doing was dumped out some of the water, poured a little bit more hot water in it, kind of put water inside the Adore bottle, shook it up a bit. Whew. Shook it up a bit, and then I finally poured it back in, and I've been letting this sit for about 20 to like 15 to 20 minutes. And now, we're gonna take it out, okay? We're gonna take it out. So this is how it's looking. I actually really like it. Hopefully like when I, hopefully when it dries, the color really comes out, because usually it's like darker. Ooh, dang. Come on now. Usually it's like darker when you I can't even speak. I'm just so excited. But usually it's darker when it's wet. So now this is how it looks. It's definitely pink. There ain't no telling that it's not. And now I'm just gonna kind of detangle it a bit to make it a little bit easier when I blow dry. I'm actually surprised. Like one bottle isn't so bad, to be honest. Like one bottle is not so bad. What is that? But this is how it's looking. And period. So let's go blow dry this. you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate all the love and support that I've been getting recently, especially with my videos and my uploads. Definitely, if you guys want me to do any more wig tutorials, any more watercolor, dyeing my hair, or anything like that, leave a comment down below with the emoji color you want me guys to do my hair for next, okay? That's all that I have for you guys today. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel, and I'll catch you later, babies.